It's kind of weird. But look, you make up. See? Put your makeup on and stuff, and you can pretend to cut your hair. Look.
Oh, hello. Look at all this stuff. Want to fix your hair with a brush, scissors, curling iron, or hairspray?
Yes.
Are you awake, Maddie?
No.
I can't remember what mode you had.
Oh, hello. Look at all this stuff. Want to fix your hair with a brush,
Yes!
scissors, curling iron?
That again.
Here, look at what's in here. Look just
Awesome, dude.
There's a little bag.
Yeah, it's over there.
Look!
Oh my god, well you just dump it out, don't you?
Yeah, look! I got this for Christmas.
You got a finger puppet. Loxley's got some too. Look, Daddy's got one.
Yeah, those are earrings.
Nice.
I always wanted this for Christmas.
You did?
Yeah.
Who is that?
Here you go.
Let me see.
And a little dragon.
Awesome.
He shoots dragons and kills them.
The great.
It's a new skateboard.
Awesome.
Look, I got
Awesome. Is that your Odessa?
It's a Tinkerbell skateboard.
It's a Tinkerbell one. I always wanted for Christmas.
A thing.
No way.
A pillow pet for me.
A pillow bed for you.
I love pillow pet. I so wanted this for Christmas.
You got it, didn't you?
What it is, we know it. Another sketchbook.
Let me see. Oh, cool.
You can draw to your heart's content. Well, until I run out of paper. Yay! And it's my favorite color.
Oh, you got a new DS. Forgot about that.
I think it's a new book.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Let me see your book. Oh my goodness.
Blood, sweat, and tears with me.
Oh, we can.
Look!
Oh, awesome. It's got tons and tons of different stories in there that you've never heard before. They're all new ones.
We can read it when you go to sleep.
Gosh!
Oh.
What?
Good.
What is this? What?
Oh my god, I love this shirt.
Nice.
Hey, Loxley, watch
I know you could have that button. That's the first thing I should have bought. I'd already bought it.
Watch.
Ow, you bit me.
Yeah, and I wrapped it inside the bag too.
I'm going to have fun today. I'm having fun.
And it's not just Pac-Man, it comes like with premium Pac-Man and
Yeah, it's got like 10 games.
Yay! This is my video game. Yes. Let me see. Oh,
It's a new 18-phone home shirt.
awesome.
gotta include that.
Look.
Oh, he's so
Yeah,
cute.
you're gonna look adorable.
Yeah. I didn't have this for Christmas. I just got it.
Huh?
Then Miss Kelly there at snow.
Part. Watch, I'm gonna play it too. What in the world made you get me a jaw heart?
Jar.
What? Let's see it.
Look! I got
I think you press the.
Look alive, soldier. expect you to walk around the house wearing that,
I
Loxley.
will. And I wouldn't press
And your goggles, and your headphone, and your Gur hat. Look at Madigan.
My hat, I love this hat. Oh, that's right.
Yeah, the zebra.
People hat we buy for you.
Look at that. Oh, yeah.
That's awesome.
It is. Look, it's got my little. And look, I can put my hand in there, so it's really warm too.
You want some help, baby? Mama tapes them, I think. No, she doesn't.
I
Oh
need
my.
dogs.
Oh yes.
What?
Dora!
I need dog shit for nightlight.
That's right. What do you think it is, kid?
I knew the puzzle dress.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, that's pretty.
This is how Loxley wraps, right here. This is the Loxley wrapping
Yes.
job.
It's fabulous.
I think she does it on purpose.
I did.
Oh, yeah!
Adventure time.
Adventure time! I didn't want her to ruin it.
Oh wow! Look at you.
You got an MP3 player?
Where did you have to do this?
I'm magic.
too.
Oh my goodness! You got another puzzle. Is that SpongeBob?
Yeah, and a SpongeBob puzzle.
Awesome.
It's a SpongeBob puzzle, Mama.
I can't wait to work those. You got lots of nice puzzles.
Wow.
Do you know what that is?
The chocolate? I want it.
Tinkerbell tattoos.
Oh.
Oh my
Maybe that's
goodness.
body jewelry.
Ew,
Put on your
Madigan.
body and then lipstick.
Oh my goodness. Ha 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 ha. You like the snow?
The making of the snowman.
Oh, hey.
Come up the
Your wagon is full of snow. You want to watch it explode?
Yeah.
Ready? I think it looks funny. Poof. What do you want to name our snowman?
Trying joy.
Huh?
Trying joy.
Pride and joy.
Ah. Pride and joy.
Okay. Oh my God. Look at Mommy.
I know. See how they're grunting. That's a big snowball. It's like the whole yard. Dude, let's see how big we can get just a big snowball. Let's do the whole yard. And then the neighbors. You need some help?
Please. Ew, it's pee-pee.
I know I got pee-pee in it.
Ew, kitty pee-pee. Ew.
I'm helping you.
You're doing good.
It's coming up in sheets. It's like sod.
I know. Where should we put him? Pat him down. Pat him down.
You just show like it's
I told him I did not need his case. And then say he screwed up our wrist. He said, well, your lens will fit from your inside.
I have to tell you to make a snowman.
Then he was still
You're making a snowman? What you doing, Toby?
Making a snowman.
You are going to help her make one?
Oh, that's mine. It's just